are doing something big today. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. If you're new here, my name is V. In today's video, I'm going to put a spin on this Garden of Juvia's Place eyeshadow pastel palette. This is what it looks like. I know my eyes already been based, but this is what we're doing today. If you want to see what I have accomplished and finished with that spin on the pastel palette, keep watching. I am going to use Best Buds in the Juvia's Place palette. If you have a pastel palette, you can change it into anything you want it to be, just not pastel, but put a spin on it, and that's what I'm doing today to show you that. And this is what Best Buds look like, so we are going to play with Best Buds. I did not use a glitter glue. I'm just putting it over the black eyeshadow and eyeshadow base. I am now using Blossom to put in the inner corner. We are putting a twist on pastel palette. Today's look is the Gardens of Juvia's Place pastel palette, but I put a spin on it. You can create anything you want. Create something beautiful, create something fun, create something with life. A pastel palette don't always have to stay a pastel palette, so create something beautiful. Today's word is by Louisa May Alcott. It says, "Far away there in the sunshine are my highest aspirations. I may not reach them, but I can look up and see their beauty, believe in them, and try to follow them." This is the word, encouraging, inspirational word for today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply You Makeup is saying to go out there and create something beautiful. Whether it's makeup, whether it's you like painting, whether it's just taking a stroll and just enjoying life. Life is short. Please enjoy it minute by minute. And your pastel palette does not have to always stay pastel. Gardens by Juvia's Place, and this is what I created. Please check out tomorrow's video because it will be a mini unboxing. I appreciate you stopping by, taking some time out to watch my videos. I like to do fun stuff on this channel. So if there are a couple colors or colors you want to see put together, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to do that for you. I am saying bye. Check out tomorrow's video, mini unboxing. Bye, bye, bye.